Hello YouTube, I'm back. So, I wanted to talk about going within and what does that mean. Now, people have different philosophies, ideas, beliefs, faith. It depends on who you are and where you come from. But the truth is, when you evaluate your life and you evaluate your beliefs and your relationship to people, to places, to things, to yourself, to money, and it doesn't have to be hard to try to figure it out, because awareness is key. That's the most important thing. Once you start becoming aware, like some people would say, oh, I'm just questioning life. It's not that you're questioning, you're exploring, you're understanding, you're realizing, hey, I've been living in a bubble. Or hey, I've been living a reality that I didn't really want to live. Right? Like, in other words, you want to live, but you have other choices. You have other interests. You have other desires. Like, think about it. 98% of the population don't get to live their dreams. That's a lot of people. And the 2% woke up and smelled the coffee. So I'm just saying, everything is relationship. It's currency. And if you look at it like, oh, this is hard, you're going to keep recreating that difficulty in your life. I mean, it takes 30 days to retrain different parts of yourself in your subconscious mind. It's all about what you believe about yourself, your image, who you think you are, what you think you're able and ready to accomplish. Because you can. You can do anything. There really isn't the limitation. We put limitations on ourselves. And I get it. Sometimes we have aches and pains and there's things going on in the body. But you have to evaluate that too. Your body is telling you something. And sometimes we're in this rat race and we go, 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 go. And we don't take the time to look within.